Hello, today we will guide you through how to add XAUUSD on MT5 Mobile App. If you want to make gold visible in your market watch list on the MT5 Mobile App, this is a quick process and only takes a moment once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can easily follow along on your phone. To begin, open the MT5 app on your mobile device. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving on, so all tabs and symbols are available. If you're already logged in and on the main screen, you're ready for the next part. Once the app is open, tap on quotes at the bottom left of the screen. This section shows the list of trading instruments currently displayed in your app, including currency pairs, metals, and other assets depending on your broker. If you do not see XAUUSD here yet, that simply means it has not been added to your visible quotes list. After that, look to the top right corner of the quotes screen and tap the plus sign. This opens the symbol search and add section, where you can find instruments that are available but not currently shown in your quote list. This is the area you use whenever you want to add a new market to MT5. In the search field, enter KEI used exactly as shown. As you type, the app should begin filtering the available symbols and showing matching results. Take your time here and make sure the text is entered correctly so the right instrument appears. Depending on your broker, symbol names can vary slightly, but in this case you'll follow the entry shown on screen. When the matching result appears, tap the plus sign next to it to add it. This tells MT5 to include the instrument in your quotes list so you can view its live pricing and access it more easily whenever you need it. Once added, you can go back to the quotes screen and confirm that the symbol is now visible in your list. If you don't see it immediately, give the app a second to refresh or scroll through the available instruments. That's all it takes to add XAUUSD on the MT5 mobile app. This is a useful setup step if you plan to monitor gold prices regularly or trade that market from your phone. With the symbol added to your quotes tab, it becomes much easier to check pricing, open charts, and stay organized inside the app.